check out this Autoflip dispenser set from the Dwellza kitchen store, who is also the kind sponsor of this video. Now, I've been really excited to get these because they have these really cool hands-free Autoflip lids. And you know, something else that really surprised me is just how thick this glass really is. I mean, check that out. It definitely doesn't feel like it's gonna break easily. Another nice feature is that there's measuring marks on the side of this glass container, and as a little test, I filled it up to 8 ounces, which is exactly 1 cup. So let's go ahead and see if it's accurate. Well, that passed the test. It's definitely accurate. Now let's talk about the top. The handle is comfortable, it feels smooth, and it has a modern look. Around the top there's indents to give you more grip when removing or replacing the lid. Then inside of the cap there is a silicone ring that should provide a nice tight seal. The spout is made out of silicone, which should help prevent any drips. All right, let's go ahead and fill these up and put them to the test. But first, of course, we gotta give everything a quick wash. I wanna point out, these have a wide mouth, so they're super easy to clean. But if you're not into hand washing, they're also dishwasher safe. Now, because this comes with 2 dispensers, I'm gonna go ahead and fill the first one up with some extra virgin olive oil. Perfect, right to the top mark. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on. That looks pretty nice, and it's a good size, so it's not too heavy when you're holding it. All right, so for the second dispenser, I wanna try out a thicker liquid, so we're gonna go with some maple syrup. All right, now let's see how well they pour. And I'm gonna start off with the extra virgin olive oil. Well, so far so good. That drip-free spout really worked great. All right, on to the one I'm really curious about, the maple syrup. Now, let's look down in the cap and see how well it did. Wow, look how clean that is. None of it even spilled down into the cap's reservoir. Well, they came packaged nice, they're super easy to use, and I love these Autoflip lids. So if you're looking for a set of dispensers, I highly recommend you try these out.